So I just pulled onto the track. I've decided I'm going to air down new tyres. I don't really want to destroy them just before I start doing what I need to do to make the tyres work with my car. So got these little gadgets from Camp Boss. They're actually pretty cool because you just set it and then forget about it. So I'll chuck these on. I've got it set for about 18 psi, which is perfect for me. Yeah, chuck these on, go from here. Alright, so I just had a shit myself moment. So I've been going to this track that I've been the Captain Fawcett track for a long time now. And I've got this one favourite camping spot and never bothered with anything else because it's just perfect. Unfortunately, there's people there. So I opted to go down a new one. So I didn't catch it on video. I kind of wish I did now. But I just wanted to make sure there's no people down here before I got down, just so I could set up and everything. It is starting to get dark now, but I'll just show you this quickly. So you can't really tell too much. I'll have to get a video on the way back up. I'm definitely not going to go down it again, but that is really steep. I almost fell onto my side. So as you can see just here, my wheels have slipped down and then I've lifted up, so I've just put on the foot on the gas and shot my way down here quickly. So yeah, this is sometimes why I don't like full driving too much on my own. I don't really know where my limit is, which is dumb in a sense, but I'm slowly getting there. I need to get a big sticker put on my steering wheel saying you need to drive this home. It sounds dumb, but it's definitely something that needs to be done. But so I've opted for this place here. Not a bad little spot. Not sure if I'm going to set up here or set up down here, but there is water, which is awesome. Bit of mud, bit annoying, so I might stay up there, but check this out. Look at that. Probably wouldn't swim in it. It looks like it's deep enough. Bit of a stream happening down there, you can hear it, and the water's still flowing that way, so which is good. Might cast the rod in there tomorrow in the morning. Maybe might even go a little bit later on. I'll set up first, camp first, and I'll get a fire going. Really keen on a fire, so that has to be done. And there's plenty of wood around, which is good too. Few more logs, and I'll be good. Well, that's not a bad stack at all. I'm sweating like crazy. It's pretty cold. But yeah, get the fire going now. Well, I screwed up. Hang on, I have to put this on the side. That's a little bit better. So I screwed up. So my gas burner that I bought from BCF a little while ago, it's been playing up lately with leaking the gas. So I've been having to use a pair of pliers to screw it on. And tonight I've gone to go set it up and have snapped it. I've snapped the gas fitting off, so it's leaking gas everywhere. So that's it, that's in the bin. Unfortunately, lucky, I was prepared to cook the steak on the fire, so I'm going to have to do everything on from Darchi. So I'll set that up soon. I've got the fire going. I'll just spin this. Got the fire going over there, so I'm going to have to cook off this tonight. Probably won't do the steak. I'll probably do the steak tomorrow when I've got a bit more time, a bit more light, so I can actually do it properly, I suppose. Yeah, I'm gonna do satay chicken, which is gonna be pretty nice, and I'll probably just do some pasta. A little shit feed for the night, but it's gonna be what it is. If I get hungry later, I suppose I can just boil some water and make some noodles. Coffee time. So I really enjoy a hot soup in the mornings when I'm out camping. Don't know why, it's just what I've always liked doing. And can't go wrong with some butter. I like a little bit more creamier. And saltier. Alright, I'm going to enjoy this, then I'm going to go find some wood, chop that up and get that ready, and then yeah, decide on what I'm going to do today. Go for a bit of a walk. I can't fly my drone, so unfortunately last night I decided to try and get a nighttime shot and didn't think about it and flew it into a tree. So that's that gone. So I have to get that fixed at some point if I can, otherwise I've got to go buy another one. Yeah.